Let's see how to use min function. Select a cell, type equal, min. This function returns the smallest value in a set of values. Click the min command. Select a range. Hit enter. The function has successfully found the smallest value. Let's see another example. Select a cell, type equal, min. Click the min command. Select a range, add comma, type 1. Function will return 1, because the smallest value among the range and given number is 1. Hit enter. Let's see another example. Select a cell, type equal, min. Click the min command. Select a range. Hit enter. It will return 0. If the arguments do not contain any number, the function returns 0. Min function ignores text, logical values, and empty cells.